I just wanted a button. That's it. A little rectangle with some text in it, maybe some padding. And when you click it, it does a thing. But now, it's been 17 hours. I've pulled in 23 packages. My build process takes longer than a Marvel movie, and my app has 243 vulnerabilities. All I wanted was a button. You ever install one package, and that package installs another 40? I installed React button component, and suddenly I'm downloading polyfills for Internet Explorer, 6 and 6 different versions of Lodash I never asked for. Now my project has left pad again. Why? I don't know. Nobody knows. The ghosts of the JavaScript ecosystem are whispering to me, one of us, one of us. I tried to uninstall a package, ran npm uninstall something. You know what happened? Nothing. Because apparently that package was being used by 17 other packages who are emotionally dependent on it. This isn't code. This is therapy for insecure modules. You open package.json and you feel your heart rate spike. It's 700 lines long. There are packages in there with no README, no GitHub, and one maintainer who last pushed in 2015 from a cafe in Belarus. I open the terminal. I run npm install. Error. Expected peer dependency not found. React at Curate 17.0.2. I have React 18. You and great. Why are you like this? You ever seen a stack trace that's entirely from packages you didn't write? It's like being blamed for a crime you watched on Netflix. And the worst part, I didn't even write this button. I found a component on GitHub. It looked clean. It looked modern. But the moment I added it, my app started speaking in tongues. Then comes the build error. It doesn't even make sense. Syntax error, unexpected token export in CommonJS module. Oh, so now I need transpilation. Welcome to Webpack hell. I don't know what Webpack does. I don't think anyone does. It's a black box with a config file that looks like a chemistry exam. You change one thing, your entire app stops working. You change it back, still broken. And when you Google it, you land on a Stack Overflow answer from 2017 that says, just eject your app. Eject? Why not just launch me into the sun? And don't get me started on Babel. You know how you configure Babel? You don't. You copy-paste the same .babel RC from every blog post and just pray. I don't even know what a Babel/preset_env is. It sounds like something that controls the weather. Eventually, you get the button working. You click it. Nothing happens. Why? Because the on-click handler isn't bound correctly. So now you're back in JavaScript's most sacred ritual, binding this. You don't know who this is anymore. You don't know who you are anymore. You're just binding and rebinding until you feel something. Then you realize this button lives in a modal. The modal was written in class-based React. You've been using hooks. Oh no, no. You are mixing timelines. This is the Marvel multiverse of front-end hell. Your options now, rewrite the modal in hooks, rewrite your component in classes, cry into your keyboard until someone takes the task from you. You choose none of the above. Instead, you install yet another library, because nothing solves complexity like more abstraction. By now, your app is working. Sort of. It runs in development. But when you build for prod, white screen, no errors, no logs, just blank. Like God pressed backspace. So you check your build logs, you scroll, and eventually, you find it. The problem. One tiny error from a package called React Super Button, Fancy Click Pro. You never installed that. It came as a dependency of a dependency of a design system your manager picked because it looked nice in the demo. So you uninstall it. Now the whole app breaks again. At this point, you've reinstalled node modules 6 times. You've cleared cache, deleted lock files, sacrificed RAM to the CI gods. You're not a dev anymore. You're a dependency whisperer. You don't write code. You just beg your project to build. Finally, after hours of pain, a broken psyche, and 5 extra dependencies that still haunt your memory, the button works. It clicks. It responds. It logs hello world in the console. You deploy it, you take a deep breath, and your designer messages, hey, can we make the button just a bit rounder? No, we cannot. We are in too deep. This code base has seen things. This button has history. This button is trauma. We don't touch it now. We don't speak of it. We leave it be. We move on. Thank you. This has been the Git Show, episode 9. I just wanted a button. Now I'm in dependency hell. If you've ever touched front end and watched your sanity unravel in real time, like, subscribe. And remember, buttons aren't simple. Front end isn't easy. And if you see node modules acting up, just run.